Hello everyone and welcome to this week's DIY segment of Basic Car Essentials. Today, we're going to be showing you the procedure you'll need to change your own tires. Tires are one of the most important parts of your car. They connect the wheels to the road, providing traction and also absorbing vibration. First, make sure your car is in park. If it's a manual, first gear will also act as park. Loosen the bolts before jacking the car up. Jack up the vehicle at the jacking points on the bottom of the car. Let the car down onto a safety stand. Unscrew all the wheel bolts and the wheel should come off freely. Attach the new wheel to the car and tighten the top bolt with your finger to hold the wheel on. Attach the remaining bolts, tightening them across from each other. Jack the car up about an inch, remove the safety stand, and lower the car back down to the ground. Once the car is back on the ground, torque the bolts to your manufacturer's specifications. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Join us next week as we show you how to properly change your own oil.